Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another Vlogmas video. Now I'm at Emancipation Park. Apparently they're having like Christmas in the park. I've never really heard about it, but you know, they have a kiddies village where the kids are going with, you know, some little fun activities, and later on I'm going to have stuff with the whole overall family. Now, all I want to say right now is that who wants to come and get me something good for Christmas? I need a Christmas present. Like, I'm tired of here suffering in Jamaica right now, and I can't get a Christmas present. I just want one present. They can't put anything in the wrap, you know, anything at all. They can put in ice mint, they can put in a match at, what you call it, matches, anything. You can put in 2 pieces of Scotch Brite, but I just want a gift, just one burrito out there. Give me a gift for Christmas, okay? But anyway, let's show you what's going on at E-Park. Take care, yeah!
Yeah, man, put on your dancing shoes and come with me. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. So them a pass and Nancy and I sing, and Nancy start to feel a little way, you know. Him say, everybody a go a grand market, and me no have nothing for carry go a grand market. Me must find something. So Nancy put on him little clothes, man, and him a walk go a grand market with him 2 long hands. When and a little spider leg there. When he reach one cross pass, he see some red bush a grow wide.
Alright, what's your favorite memory of Christmas? Jamaican Christmas memory?
Grand market, sitting on my father's shoulders.
Oh, okay.
Yes, going downtown and seeing the balloons. I hadn't a clue it was called Grand Market, but it was just so exciting. The things we remember, you know, are not the details, but the sensation, the emotions.
Okay.
And my next favorite memory is the smells. Everything smelled brand new. The place whitewashed.
Yes.
The linoleum. Your mother rubbed the butter.
Yes, all of them something
there.
there.
Had a really special smell.
So in terms of how you find, like, you know, Christmas like these days, you know, like, you know, the late 2000 type of Christmas in Jamaica, like, we're losing anything that you would wish that we would just stick to?
You know, I don't think we're losing anything.
Really?
No,
I remember walking and used to see pepper light all over the place. Pepper light, they stop now.
Alright, in terms of those physical things.
Oh, okay.
But in terms of what is really important to me is people connecting to one another.
Yeah.
Heart to heart. Even if you don't like your neighbor, when Christmas comes, you send piece of cake.
Oh, yes,
Don't it?
About 2 pieces of cake eat already.
Yes, I really love that about us. How there are times when we just wheel and come again and get right back into our humanity. And I hope we never lose that. Yeah, you're right. There are other aspects that we are losing. Seeing the sights. And for persons who really want the spiritual side of it to shine, that has been diminished. And I didn't say religious.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The spiritual side, where you know that I and the sky and the trees and the mountains are one. That we need to get that. But the rest, like, we just hold on to that.
My best friend and Nancy sit up on him veranda and him a watch people a go a grand market. And a Nancy can't go, you know why? Broke! Not only him broke, him broke so till, so he can't buy nothing, you're quite right. But he not have nothing for sell, cause a Nancy never plant nothing for the whole year.
What do you think? You think they fit in probably, you know, like born in 2000, think you'd have a YouTube channel now? Like, that's where you would be doing the majority of your work in terms of promoting and keeping the full culture alive?
Probably, and I tell you what, I have 2 young friends who draw me up a couple months ago and say, Auntie Amina, you need to be on Instagram, and this, and Tara, and Wara. So they're working on it for January.
Okay, so 2019, we can expect something.
Yes, Amina.
Please let it happen.
Get in with the program.
Alright, finally, we're going to see a defense doing this with their phone and all this kind of thing.
Absolutely.
Alright, looking forward to it. Take care and enjoy your Christmas.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
but I'm gonna give him a prize because he's so brave. Yes, to have come on.
Alright, so I'm there with D-Burns. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna show you Christmas. So you're reaching the Christmas festival.
Nadia Roxmer.
Oh, them type of
Nadia
links.
Roxmer. She just linked me and said, Burns, I have a show at Emancipation Park. I want you to come sing. And I said, oh, you mean Nadia? Mad vibes, yeah. It's okay.
What year for 2019?
2019, crazy fire for music.
Alright, so my thing is that basically that I see you about couple years now, good amount of years now, and the talent is there. What you think is missing now, and the only other ingredient we need for us drop in for 2019?
Just to market myself more to the people, just to ensure that more people are seeing me and hearing me. It's a case of outer side, outer mind, and I've been a little bit outer side because I've been developing my craft. And I just grow as an individual, but now we're ready to put that out there to the world. Alright,
so when the things I'm going to there later, but make sure we get a full recording of the performance a while ago. Someone if you tell people them the song and show the local behind the scenes rehearsals to them and tell them where them can find you.
Me no want no blood a run for the Christmas of Jamaica, for this Christmas and beyond. We just want love, peace, no war, no blood. Cyril alone for in the streets, and when Cyril start drink, make sure some other red juice, fruit punch or something alone red in the streets. See? The name is D-Burns. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, SoundCloud, everywhere at D-Burns Music, DBURNZMUSIC. We don't want to blur around for Christmas. Check it out. Hard bowl.
Me no want no blood a run for the Christmas. Cyril alone for ready in the streets. Me a beg the shot of them fi grant with a wish ya. A fireworks alone for a beat. Me no want no blood a run this year Christmas. Better you spend some time with your family. Knife and gun fi put down for the Christmas. And make we live the new year in peace. Come follow me now, that one your name. Merry Christmas to the shot of them. Do not bust no shot again. And if Santa Claus and the reindeer no link, you do no man that them. That me no fix to one jump again. Make we cook up on again. Put up this strap and make we go back and market. We go shop. Some swing up in a land. Some Twitter and a again. Sorry, I load for rain on the streets. Me a make me shot and then he grant me the wish, yeah. A fireworks and love for a beat. Me don't want no blood to run.
Look at me fasting at what's going on backstage. Is this donut? Oh no. May I have a cup of soup, please? Are you looking? Really? Alright, well that's it for this Vlogmas video. I'm there with Sim.
Hey!
What going on right this up? I forget what going.
Some Christmas stuff.
Yeah, and at the rehearsals.
Yes,
you're gonna hear for the whole show?
I'm not sure, I'll try.
I think maybe I'll go home.
Maybe, I don't know, I'm hungry, so maybe I'll go home.
Literally the way she hungry really got the KC people that perform. And instead of telling me says KC, she said KFC.
You mean just like you said JUTC instead of JCDC?
No, that
He said JUTC Performing Arts.
Yo, anybody would have made a mistake like that, a simple mistake. Alright, so if you want to follow this beautiful young lady, where can follow you?
Sim_JTM_fashionista or my design page.
You see there again, you see me show your people.
At Marlene Simone JA.
Alright, so we put her information so you can follow her because she's a designer and all of these things. So if you want anything made, just make sure you say contact her. Alright, peace out until next time. Yeah. Oh, we reach it.
Merry Christmas to the shot of them. Do not bust no shot again. And if Santa Claus and the reindeer no link, you do no man that them. That me no fix to one jump again. Make we cook up on again. Put up this strap and make we go back and market. We go shop. Some swing up in a land. Some Twitter and a again. President in a box again. That's why he said he go and roll and quick grab home and drop. The people them like a massive Christmas carol. We don't want no blood and run for the Christmas. Sorry, I load for rain on the streets. Me a make me shot and then he grant me the wish, yeah. A fireworks and love for a beat. We don't want no blood around this a Christmas. Better you spend some time with your family. Knife and gun fi put down for the Christmas. And make we live the new year in peace. And even though Jamaica have the snow, Christmas breeze a blow, and everybody feel nice. And at least we want all of the shot of them fi know. Tell the guns them no rum alone, we want pies. Now hear me out, no bother bust no throat, unless it is a goat. You a go curry with rice, go find a woman and chat and laugh and run some joke. Under the mistletoe, celebrate the gift of life. Because we don't want no rapper pam pam, we don't want no bag man. So gangsters, please put on the tam-tam. No sir that I get a wrong bang. Come make we join together as one. I'm reaching out to every woman and man, every boy and girl. Join hearts and hands for the festive season. Make we sing a one song. Me no want no blood around for the Christmas. Sorry alone for reading on the streets. Me da beg the shot of them fi grant me a wish. Clappers and fire rocket alone for your beat. Me no want no blood around this your Christmas. Better you spend some time with your family. Knife and gun fi put down fi the. If you catch it, just sing it with me. Sing it with me now. Ready? 3. Me no want no blood around fi the Christmas. Sorry alone for reading on the street. Me a beg the shot of them fi grant me the wish ya. Have fireworks alone fi your beat again. Me no want no blood around fi the. Sorry alone for reading on the street. Knife and gun fi put down for the Christmas. And make we live the new year in peace. Me no want no blood around for the Christmas. Yeah. Nice. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be on live later at about 6:45. Ensure that you're here and we can sing it together. Yeah. Hold on, that good? We're live? Mervyn, perfect. Sound good, my audience, you sound good? From the audience, so we're good.